Hello guys, we have made the visitor counter, and in this the components that we used are this 27 segment display and the 4026 IC, which is also a counter IC, and the LDR, which is light dependent register, an LED and various registers, and an NPN transistor, and the reset button, and a 9-volt battery and potential divider, which is going to convert 9-volt battery into 6 volt, and that's it. And the working of the this visitor counter is.
So guys, let's understand the working of the visitor counter. It basically goes like this. When light falls on the LDR, the resistance of this light dependent resistor decreases. As a result, our LED glows. So when we block the light which is falling on the LDR, its resistance will increase, and as a result the LED will stop glowing, and one count will be made on the 7 segment display and will be seen.